This is when Arch becomes usable, not Linux minimalism, just Linux without the Stockholm syndrome. So where are we now? Arch is fast, sleek, almost sane. You've accepted the truth. You can't rice your terminal to look like the Matrix and still meet deadlines. You swapped NeoFetch for HTOP because flexing your OS doesn't fix memory leaks. If you want something done right, do it on Arch Linux. After 2 days of Googling why your sound card vanished. Some guy on Mastodon. And finally, the grand realization. Nobody cares how your desktop looks, unless you're trying to date other Arch users, which, best of luck. So yes, an actually productive Arch setup does exist. It just requires minimalism, therapy, and the courage to say no to yet another terminal color scheme repo. Like your favorite indie album. Niche, misunderstood, and honestly, kind of beautiful. Or don't. This is Arch Linux. You do you. But maybe, just maybe, back up your dot files this time, yeah?